Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. It's Lynn from Contenta Crafts. Hi, how's everybody? I hope you're all doing well. So today I have a little mini shopping haul. Most of the purchases, well, all of them apart from one, came from Craftstash. So without further ado, let's get into my little mini shopping haul. Okay, so I haven't opened anything yet. So I'm going to, oh, well, that's opened quite well without my scissors. And I'm just going to dip into my bag and see what comes out first. So first of all, here I have my Creative Craft product, low tack tape. So you get one dispenser plus 2 rolls. So it says it is perfect for joining, masking and sticking. I'll have a look here. So there are my 2 rolls, and then here is my dispenser with my roll. Yeah, so I'm going to use mine mostly for die cutting. So I pop my dies through my cutting machine. I can pop my low tack tape on and hopefully it won't tear any of my card or paper. So that is my first product. When I first looked at it, I thought it looked as if there was a little bit missing off the side, but having checked on Craftstash, looking at the pictures on their website, it does look to be correct. I did think it looked broken across here as well, but obviously looking, I would say that is the style. So that is my first product. There's not many things, but I've just thought I would pop on and share them with you, and I'm just going to delve into the bag to see what comes out next. And yes, it is my little mini distress inks. So you get a pack of 4. So I have chosen Saltwater Taffy, Villainous Potion, Prize Ribbon and Salvage Patina. So it just basically says that mini distress ink pads feature the same unique water-based dye ink formula used in the full-size pads, but in a convenient stackable 1 by 1 inch pad. The raised felt makes it easy to use on smaller craft projects and can be re-inked with coordinating distress ink re-inkers. So yeah, they are just every bit as perfect as your larger ink pads. So yeah, looking forward to using those. Oh, this is exciting, delving into think what is coming out next. Oh, now then, this one's got me thinking. It's something flat, and to be honest, I cannot remember ordering anything small and flat, so I'm wondering what it is. Oh, right, it is this Woodware Craft Collection Clear Stamp Set, and it is Sweet Pea, and you get obviously the sentiment Sweet Pea, and then you get the flower. Okie dokie, so that's that little one there. And again, I will have a delve around to see what I can have next. Okay, so I've chosen this honeysuckle collection. So this is the honeysuckle flower, and this is Nature's Garden. So let me see what we have in here. Oh, this is a Crafter's Companion. Well stuck down. Okay, so we have this lovely honeysuckle flower from Crafter's Companions Nature's Garden. So it's quite a nice size. It is 3.5 inches by 4.8 inches. Now, I'm not sure whether this, no, obviously not. I was thinking that must have been included, but obviously not. It says 1 piece, so I presume that is it. So that is my second stamp. It's exciting, this. I really like it. And then we have, what's coming next is, now I've been really looking forward to these arriving. Again, it is a creative craft product and it is part of the floral calendar, and I have chosen the aster, which is the flower for October. I chose this because this is my birthday month, and you get 3 stamps and 4 dies. So you get your aster. I'm going to open this up. Dokie, so you get your 3 stamps and 4 dies. So you have October, aster, and your flower. So I've opened it up, and here we can see we have the stamp. So we've got our aster stamp, then we have the word October and aster, and then you get your 4 dies. Just open these up. We get, so what you can do is, there is the little die that will fit around the word aster. Then we have 2 dies that will go around the word October. So we have that little one like so, or we have that one there. Is it that way or that way? I think it's probably that way. Okay, so that is those 3 little dies, and then we have the die that will cut the flower out. So really looking forward to using those. And then, as far as I am aware, if I remember rightly, it is last but by no means least, I'm sure it's the last thing in my bag, I have another one of the floral calendar flowers, and I've chosen the tulip for February. So again, we get 3 stamps and 4 dies. So there is the tulip February and the word tulip. So I will open this one up and get that out quickly. So yeah, there is the stamp set. So we have the gorgeous tulip, the word February and the word tulip, and then we have our 4 dies here, and just get these out quickly. So there we have the die to cut out the tulip, and then the same as the October aster, we have our little die to cut out the word tulip. We have the banner style to cut February, or we have this little die here to cut the February. So there you go. Again, I will just pop those quickly into my packet there and pop them away. I'm really looking forward to creating something with those, and I will just check out my envelope. Yeah, that is it. And my very last product is this. That was my doorbell, so I just had to pop off and see who was calling. I am expecting a parcel, so I was hoping it was that. However, it wasn't on this occasion, but hopefully my parcel will come soon. So yeah, so I'm back with my very last product, which was actually purchased from Poundland. So I've been after some watercolour paper for quite a while now, and when I've looked around, I've looked at some of the prices and they have been rather expensive. So I decided, I'd heard that Poundland have a few crafty bits and pieces. So I popped in to a Poundland store and I saw this paper, which is watercolour paper, for £2, and you get 16 pieces. Don't know what it will be like. It seems a fairly decent paper. It feels quite thick. So I have given it a little try out and it seems okay. I will let you know definitely how I get on with that. But I thought for £2, you know, I couldn't really pass up a bargain, and I will, like I say, let you know how I get on with the watercolour pad. So yeah, that is my shopping haul. I do like this on the front. I wonder if that would cut out. I think that would cut out and make a lovely gorgeous card or something. Yeah, so that is my little mini craft haul. So we have the artist watercolour pad. I have my distress inks, my gorgeous floral calendar aster, the floral calendar tulip. I also have the aster, so we've got those there. Then I've got my woodware stamp, which I will pop there, and then my honeysuckle crafter's companion stamp there, and last of all, we have my, well, I can take those out of there and just pop them in there, my low tack tape. And yeah, that is my little mini shopping haul. I hope you have enjoyed my shopping haul today. If you would be interested in purchasing any of the items that I have shared with you, I will leave a code in my description box below where you can head on over to Craftstash, and if you use my code, I am an affiliate of Craftstash, and all that means is I will earn a small percentage at no extra cost to yourself if you would consider using it. So can I just say in advance, if you did decide to use the code I have provided for Craftstash, can I just say a big thank you. Yeah, thank you ever so much if you do decide to use it. And yeah, thank you ever so much for joining me. I will be back again very soon with another video. In the meantime, happy crafting, have a wonderful day, take care and see you all soon. Bye bye for now.